How to use Airalo Switzerland eSIM properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Airalo Switzerland eSIM is a convenient way to stay connected while traveling, but beginners often make mistakes that cost time and money. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not checking device compatibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming all phones support eSIMs. Ensure your device supports eSIM technology and is unlocked before purchasing. Second mistake, ignoring data package limits. You won't believe how quickly data can run out if you don't track usage. Airalo offers different plans. Choose one that matches your travel needs and monitor consumption daily. Third mistake, skipping installation instructions. The surprising truth is that a few missteps can prevent activation. Follow Airalo's code setup carefully and ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi during activation. Fourth mistake, not updating roaming settings. Some users forget to turn off the regular SIM's data roaming, causing unexpected charges. Always check your phone's settings and make the eSIM your active data source. Finally, not using Airalo's support is common. The app has guides, facts and support chat. If you run into problems, reaching out immediately can save frustration and prevent connectivity loss. Using Airalo Switzerland eSIM properly means checking compatibility, choosing the right plan, carefully installing, adjusting roaming settings and using support when needed. Avoid these mistakes and you'll enjoy seamless connectivity throughout your trip.